Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your region on Epic Games. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your browser. Once you have done so, go to this home icon of yours and now go to this search bar and simply type in country change on Epic Games. Once you have done so, you can see it shows that even in the search result you can update your country once every 6 months, and in order to make any changes you will need to be logged in and have access to the email registered to your account. It's not possible to update country on your Epic account for certain reasons. You can find more information on these reasons here, right? So it is clear that there are some reasons that you cannot make changes to, and you have to wait till 6 months after you have created your account. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead, scroll down, tap on this country change option given by the Epic Games itself, and once it's done you can find this kind of interface, right? It looks like you are contacting us from this country and your account is registered to Nepal only, so we can't help you to update your country. So for us, for our country, there is no update regarding the changes. But if your country is allowed, then you will find this. You don't have another notification including the purchase haven't been done. Click here to change your region. Once you have clicked here, then it will show you the accounts information, and you can scroll down to the bottom and change your region in the region section. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, we'll be seeing you guys in our next video.